How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. We're starting the new year, guys, pretty strong. We're getting close to $50 a share for NIO. So I just want to give you guys some bullish right here news and some stuff to keep you guys holding. This is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This is just my own opinion. But Bank of America price target of $59 at a buy for NIO. So this just came in today. Amid us almost approaching NIO Day 2021 or 2020, whatever you want to call it, here in a couple days. So you guys can see based on this screenshot right here by Bank of America, because that's the institution that actually raised the price target for NIO. They're showing highlighting the focus on a new model, right? The new sedan, the E7 that they're planning to release and unveil hopefully around NIO Day, and the new battery, the autonomous driving. And you guys know NIO sports the L4 lidar technology stuff that they want to implement into the sedan. So that's going to be coming in here in 2021. Also, they're working with the state grid to expand the charging facility. They had a partnership, so they're going to build an additional 100 charging / battery swap stations in 2021. So this is very bullish for NIO, and they're going to adopt the V2G or vehicle to grid to rationalize electricity consumption of the charging stations. And then Bank of America basically said right after that statement, they said, we hold a positive view on the cooperation given more comprehensive charging / battery swap facilities, and it will enhance the user experience as customers' range anxiety is mitigated. New battery, guys, new sedan. There's also NIO's entering the used car market here in January 3rd or 4th. Factor in new shares, raise earnings, lift PO to price target to basically $59 a share. It's just very bullish, guys. We also have some information about NIO procuring electric vehicle parts from Korean company, basically. Pretty bullish here. It says South Korea's Truewind Co. said on December 28th that it has signed a contract with the Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO for the supply of the brake pedal sensors or VPS for the electric vehicles, and expects to supply 60,000 units in the first half of next year. So the first half of 2021, they're gonna provide enough BPSs or brake pedal sensors for at least 60,000 units. That's what they said. This is very bullish. It means that NIO is going forward with that initial goal of achieving 120,000 vehicles in 2021. Now, keep in mind, that's without any expansions. They said that they're able to, and I've mentioned this in the previous video. You guys can go back and check this out. But essentially what NIO said, or the president, he said that they're able to do 120,000 vehicles in 2021 and expand up to 25% without significant investment. I've already mentioned this, and it also says Truewind supplies electric vehicle models to Hyundai Key Motors in Korea, and recently succeeded in securing an order for 90,000 products from Ford, a major multinational car company. So this Korean company right here, Truewind's already had a partnership with Kia Motors, Hyundai, and also Ford. So the fact that they're working with NIO just goes to solidify the fact that NIO is going to be an international brand as well, just like these other vehicle makers. So I'm mentioning this again, but the HiFi factory currently has a production capacity to build 120,000 vehicles per year. This is with their 2 labor shifts, and it's capable of a 25% expansion without significant investment. So this is what the CEO said. Actually, I said the president earlier, but yeah, see, you guys know what I mean. So that's what I'm referring to, is in that first half they're ordering let me go to it. They're ordering about 60,000 units or these brake pedal sensors. So that's how you know that they're going with that goal or initial target of 120,000 vehicle deliveries in 2021. But that is subject to change. So they said that they're able to expand an additional 25% with just that one facility or factory. So like I said, this is very bullish. It just goes to show that they're not playing around. NIO is expecting to do a lot better in the first half of 2021 than they basically did in the whole year of 2020. So that's just goes to show you how they've been doubling down on production, with the 2 labor shifts and all that. Very bullish news. Now I want to mention this. Shout out to Blue Sky Chain on Twitter. But NIO receives the Intelligent Vehicle of the Year Grand Award today from the Automotive Evaluation Academy. Check this out. NIO is being recognized by an evaluation academy All this was accomplished in 2020 for NIO. So yeah, I'm very excited what the future holds for this company. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about NIO so far. But this car right here is being featured as a ES6, and keep in mind NIO is at the forefront of innovation, and they're being recognized not just by this academy, but there's other awards that have been awarded to NIO as a company for quality and all that stuff. So I wouldn't be surprised if they win even more awards in 2021. Just goes to show you that they're here to stay. I mean, hashtag blue sky coming. Guys, we're gonna take over 2021. That's what we're known for. So we had 10x gains in 2020. I wonder what 2021 is gonna be like. Hopefully 3x, 5x. Who knows? All that stuff is possible. I mean, in this market. Hey guys, don't forget to get your 4 free stocks with Webull. The link's in the description of my video. Check it out. Sign up. It takes less than 5 minutes, and you can get started investing in 2021. So NIO, there's another $5 million plus buy at a $50 long and strong. So you guys can see the buying volume right here accumulating. Like there's 100,000 shares being bought here. These are large transactions. 17,000, 29,000 here, 10,000 here, like so on and so forth. But it looks like there's enough buying pressure to kick out the short seller. So yeah, I think we're doing good so far. I want to show you guys something real quick. I agree with this trading view post by North Country, but check this out. He said there's a similar pattern in the uptrend for now, and there might be some small pullbacks before the 9th, which is NIO day, but I don't see any more major drops coming for now. He said that let's see what happens here if it can break the $48 resistance, and it should go higher. So far we've breaking past that, and it looks like there's a lot more resistance than we anticipated for NIO at the $50 range, because NIO has so far been rejected trying to go up to $50. So it looks like a ton of resistance is up there at $50 to $51. Who knows? I know there's going to be more resistance at $57 because that's an all-time high as well. But it just goes to show that we're kind of building up that momentum to go up in an uptrend. Here, as you guys can see based on this trading view post, I'm trying to zoom in a bit, but you can see the arrows pointing down here to the volume spiking up, just like it happened recently when the price of NIO kind of bottomed out towards the middle of the month, where it bottomed out at $39 and then went up to $49 a share like 10 days later. This same kind of pattern is forming right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty interesting. I hope we can go up to at least $57. That's kind of like a psychological barrier. Once we break $57, I mean, we're going into price discovery, and we're gonna go beyond that. We're gonna go past $60, $70 a share. And this is all happening around January and after the NIO Day event when the sedan's gonna be released. So very good things are coming for NIO holders, guys. So here I want to mention the RSI divergence. As you guys can see, we're making higher lows right here in the RSI. It's kind of hard to see, but you might have to zoom in if you're watching on a phone or computer. But essentially what's going on is that we're building right here. Hold on, let me erase this. There's in order for you guys to see, I have to zoom out. But here there's looks like the low right here in the RSI is being knocked out by this higher low right here. So this is the divergence that I'm talking about. Looks like we're going back up and then increasing volume. And here the MACD shows that like there's gonna be like a crossover. Like we might go up just like we did when the price bottomed out at $40. I told you guys that was a buy signal when I made a video on the 14th of December or 13th. Yeah, it was 14th of December, because that was the trading day that it happened. When it bottomed out at $40, I said buy because it's going up. And what happened was it went up to $48. So I think something like that is about to happen with the price. Who knows though? But I just know that if, like I said earlier, if we get to $57 and we break that, that's gonna be amazing for us. So that's gonna be a level to watch out for, is $57, because that's a key. That's a key level. $50, there is resistance around there, but the price of NIO keeps getting rejected right there. So there's a lot of selling pressure at $50. There's people that are wanting to take profits then, so that's why the price has been dropping, because it's been approaching $50. But I hope that the buying pressure, the bulls, can win and end up pushing the price over 50, and that's just going to be the first step to getting past our all-time high. I got to mention this, but this is literally my disclaimer. So anything I say is literally my own opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So do your own due diligence before investing. Now I want to mention, guys, before I end this video, check out the link in the description for Webull if you guys want to get those 4 free stocks. You guys should be investing in 2021. Don't forget about that. Don't forget to like this video and comment if it gave you any sort of value, and if it did as well, subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Hit the bell for notifications so you guys stay notified on future videos. Peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video.